Well, good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to Grumman Pilot's YouTube channel. And today we're going to be looking at some of the Unison slick aircraft magnetos, and this is part of the Lasar system, as we're going to see. We have both the 4370 and the 4372, both the left and the right mags for the system, so stay tuned while we talk a little bit more about the Lasar system. We would like to ask you please subscribe, hit the like button, and hit the notify to stay current with our content. So they look like the regular mags, just like if you had a slick magneto on your aircraft. The only difference is the cord that comes out of it, and it has a different adapter, and it goes and hooks up to a controller system. Now, the advantage of the controller is that you start on both of these electronic mags, and it'll advance both of them in flight. It was a really good system when it came out back in the day, and now people are just buying them up for parts or to keep their existing system running. But it was a good system. Mike Boyd had one on his Cheetah. Absolutely loved it. It would go 34 or more degrees in advance, and that's a connector on one of the plugs. So, ladies and gentlemen, this is what they look like. Again, just looks like a regular slick magneto, except for that funky looking harness that's on it, and that funky harness is what hooks up to the controller. Now you have both the non-impulse and the impulse coupled, and this one is the impulse coupled one that goes with the set. And again, you can see the connector right there, much bigger than the normal one, but then we have that multiple pin connector to go and hook up to the controller so they can control the whole system. So that's the Lasar system, left and right mags. There is a controller out there. Don't have that. Hope you found all this useful and informative. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope you all have a great day with your Grumman. Lily, is that zucchini tasty?
I landed a few.